Procrastination is one of the most popular forms of self-sabotage because it's really easy. I know, I used to be a procrastinator. In fact, I was planning on shooting this video yesterday, so I guess I still do it a little bit. So I do get it. It seems super fun in the moment to do anything but the thing you're supposed to do. However, eventually the buzz of avoidance wears off and you're sitting there, well, eventually a few years later, feeling like a big loser, wondering why you haven't gotten your act together. As I said, I've so been there. I'm Kim Sneath, the clutter coach, and kicking this habit is going to help you get organized. But how? Well, one of the most important questions I ask when potential clients call me is, why now? You've had clutter for years. Why seek help now? And the answer to that tells me whether they're ready or not to commit to the process. So, find your why. Have you heard this quote? If you're serious about changing your life, you'll find a way. If you're not, you'll find an excuse. True, right? Did you know that hand in hand with procrastination is the habit of perfectionism? Yep. Perfectionism is probably the number one reason why people don't get started in the first place. But guess what? There's no such thing. Nothing can be truly perfect. So better get started already because done is better than perfect. Another great quote. Nobody cares or even notices if what you're sweating over is perfect. So you might as well get started now. Once you get started, you'll be surprised at the momentum you have. But don't know how or where to start? Don't worry, I've laid it all out in this short 5-minute video called the Declutter Game. It can be fun and easy and fast to declutter when you do it this way. I've been helping people eliminate overwhelm and get organized for 15 years, and I came up with this simple method for making decisions on your stuff so you can get on with your day. Click the link around this video to get started now.